Perfect. And so, speaking of that, I want to transition a little bit and go into a deal walkthrough. So, maybe you can talk about a deal where you did have to do some of that creative financing to get the deal
Mhm.
done, and just tell our audience how the deal was found and how you were able to take it across the finish line.
Yeah, absolutely. So I can give you 2 examples. I can give you a, like, equity ground up construction deal example, and I can also give you, like, an existing cash flowing facility where it was more of a debt structure. So let's start with the debt structure one. Right now, it's very hard to get deals done just with cash, especially because all these sellers, they had brokers knocking down their doors telling them their facilities were worth millions of dollars 12, 18 months ago, and that number is now fixed in their head, right?
Yeah.
Fortunate part is real estate is valued based on the type of cash flow it returns after debt service. And if your debt service is super high, like we've seen in the last 12 months of interest rates increasing, we just got another 25 basis point raise yesterday. That destroys the value of your facility. So what I say is, said, listen, Mr. Seller, I am willing to give you that price of your facility that you were told 12, 18 months ago. But I want you to give me the financing that was available to me 12, 18 months ago again. So if you're unwilling to do that, then I can pay you a price that's lower than you want based on what my bank will allow me to pay you. So it's not me versus you, it's me and you versus the bank, right?
Yeah.
So we had a deal that we ended up structuring where I was able to pay him value that was much higher than what it should be valued today because he was allowing me to bring 12.5% down at a 4% interest rate for 10 years interest only. So really fantastic financing for me. He gets the price he wants and he makes some interest income on top of it. So he's even getting a higher price than what he was wanting. And I get a deal that is cash flowing like crazy because my debt service and my principal payments are super low.
Love that.
So that's our debt side.